how to fix the issue where your ASUS laptop is plugged in but it's not charging. So if you're having the issue where your charger is plugged into your laptop but the battery is not charging and it stays on the same percentage, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can go and fix this. Now the very first method is, if you can power on your computer, you want to open up the Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window. Click on the drop down arrow next to Batteries and you need to right click on the Microsoft AC adapter, click on Uninstall Device and then press Uninstall. You also need to do the same thing for this bottom one as well. Just make sure to uninstall them both. Now, once you've uninstalled these, you can go in, restart your computer, and you can check to see if that now solves the issue. If it's not working, you'll need to go and perform a hard reset on your computer. Now, don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data or documents. So what we need to do is just go in, hold down the power button for around about 60 seconds. So even when the power is turned off, we're just going to continue to hold this button down, and once the full 60 seconds have passed, we can then go in, release this power button, and that should have solved the charging issue. Now if that doesn't work, there's likely an issue with the actual charger itself. So what I would recommend doing is buying a second charger, or if you have a second charger lying around the house, then you could try to use this to go in, charge your laptop, and hopefully by following these steps you can now go and charge your ASUS laptop. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.